So I suggest with this, you start with this simple experiment. You get a potato, or you get 3 vegetables or fruit, an apple and a bean, one bean, anything really, any 3. And what you're looking for, and ideally you get one of them from a supermarket when it's past its sell-by date, or you dig into the bottom of your fridge and find something that's really, past its prime, but something that never was from a supermarket. And then you get something like an apple that's straight off the tree. I mean, literally, you picked it off your neighbour's tree, or you picked it off the tree in your garden. And you get a potato, which you think is okay, but you don't know its origins. And then you do an O-ring technique. You do the O-ring technique, and you have a table which is clear, nothing else on it. And so then you look at the apple and you decide, is this apple fresh? Has it got good energy? You sort of that. Is it fresh? Has it got good energy? Is it good for me? Does it have any side effects? Does it have any side effects? No. So this apple is off the tree. It's organic, naturally grown, never sprayed. Then you might get yourself a bean from the supermarket, and you do the same story. Is it good for me? No. Why isn't it? You can't say why isn't it good for me, because you can only ask yes/no questions in the beginning. Actually, you can do more than that. You can, once you get good at it, you say you've got a list of questions. You can say, is the answer in the top half or the bottom half? And then you say, is it? Once you've decided it's in the bottom half of the list, is it in the bottom half of the bottom of the list? You get a yes. Eventually, you can quickly divide and rule and get down to a small number of things, and then go through one at a time with the O-ring technique. Is it this one that's good for me, or that one, or whatever? So, but anyway, with this, you've discovered it's not good for, it's unhealthy. And then you've got to go through, well, is it to do with, is it too old? Is it too old? No. Is it too toxic? Oh, it's toxic. And then you say, well, what sort of, has it been sprayed? Yes, it's been sprayed with chemicals, okay, which is normal. Then, is it good to eat? No. So the toxins are it's more toxic than it has food value. No, that's not quite right. It fits it's okay for some people. Would washing help? No. So some people could eat this, but it's best not to eat it. That would be the answer. So it means that the bean has got more spray than it's got nutritional value, more toxins than it's got nutritional value. And then you could do the potato, and you might find something else about the potato. You might find, well, actually, this is a great potato. It's a great potato, but it's not good for me. It might be that you're allergic to potatoes. You can be allergic to potatoes. And so doing these sort of tests for yourself and others, and comparing notes with your friend, you can find out things about simple things, rather than getting into the complexities of a human being as a first place to try. And you could work with trees or plants too. Is this plant healthy? Does, whatever. So that's another suggestion for how to upskill in this area.